it will not solve. Mind you, it will not solve. We are not claiming it's going to solve the entire problem because the solution, kailangan talaga ng malaking programa pa in addition of this. But for the meantime, ang habol namin, habang tulog kayo, nagbaha, hoping pagbukan liwayway, humupa na. Yun ang minimum goal namin. We will continue to clean it, no, in that area kasi siyempre puntahan na yan ng tao and whatever garbage that will give us, we have to do our part as a city government and working hand in hand with the national government. In this case, apat na bahagi ng pamahalaan, no? Ahensya, lokal, MMDA, DPWH, saka DNR. So tulong-tulong lang, but first things first, yung talagang pinagtutuunan namin ng pansin ngayon ay yung hinihingi ng mga taga Maynila na bigyan ng atensyon yung pagbaha. Because marami talagang nadidisgrasya. And we don't want to see in the news that because of na nagbaha, may buhay pang nakitil, no? For whatever reason. And itong pansamantala na ginagawa natin, one way or another, through some resources na in the future na pwedeng ma-utilize ng national government towards to this project, dumating. Pero hindi naman para ikipit balikat namin yung sitwasyon. Katulad namin as lokal, as you all know, talagang inuhukay namin lahat ng imbornal dito sa Maynila to create more space and absorb and carry more water or wastewater. That includes rainwater in the city. Yan ang even yung mga scientifico, yan ay sinasabing immediate solution for now. But in line with our aspiration also na in the long term, itong STP is the solution of everything. Malinis na tubig na itatapon sa Manila Bay. Now, having said that, at least maliwanag na kulang pa yung pasilidad na naitayo. So, with regard to that, we have to put more this type of facility all over the west side of the city of Manila. And even up to the north. Remember, we have also Sunog Apog, Estero de Balot. Marami pa kaming ilog sa na nakadadagdag ding dumumi sa tubig dagat ng Manila Bay. So, one, we are grateful na merong ganito sa Roas Boulevard. Now, we found out after so many years of using it and the load of water is so much already, so kailangan i-innovate, dagdagan. Doon naman, yun yung talagang pangmatagalang solusyon. And of course, nakikisuyo kami sa aming mga kapwa taong pamahalaan na naitalaga ni Pangulong Marcos ng DNR and DPWH, baka pwedeng pagtuunan na natin ng pansin ito. Two things, no? One, patuloy tayong tutupad sa ipinag-uutos ng batas, yung mandamos. Two, dapat we should not stop innovating and building more facility para naman sa ganoon maiwasan natin in the future yung makadisgrasya ng mga ari-arian ng tao at yung kaligtasan ng taong bayan pagdating sa usaping pagbaha sa Maynila. And not only Manila, nararamdaman na natin sa Metro Manila yung pagbaha. Now, kung anong take ng taong bayan ngayon, at least po, modest assessment namin ni Chairman at 10 ng kanyang team at ng team ng City Government, malaking may epekto ito sa load. It will not solve, mind you, it will not solve. We are not claiming it's going to solve the entire problem because the solution kailangan talaga ng malaking programa pa in addition of this. But for the meantime, ang habol namin, habang tulog kayo, nagbaha, hoping pagbukan liwayway, humupa na. Yun ang minimum goal namin. So effort ng MMDA, effort ng DPWH, effort ng Manila to unclog our drainage system, to clear yung mga water passage like creek and ilog. So tulong-tulong lang. Kasi talagang kawawa ang tao nakakawa na. Yes, Pat.
Hindi na tayo lumalayo. Wala na lumubog.
Yes.
Nagising ka.
Papatira
ka.
Yes. Tama naman.
Administrasyon. Hindi umano, pag-alaman namin, ako. Exclusive na yan. Tinakpan yung 4 na malalaking na
yes.
Para proteksyonan yung Dolomite.
Well, hindi mo masisisi ang taong bayan na kunin ang atensyon ng pamahalaan, whether lokal or nasyonal. Because wala naman talagang tatakbuhan ng taong bayan, kundi ang kanyang gobyerno. Now, we don't take it parang ano tawag yan? Yung babalat sibuyas. We wanted to offer and find ways to solve the problem. At that time, nung kalaunan, lumiwanag sa taong bayan at lumabas din ang katotohanan na there are some individuals who committed neglect or kulang sa TLC, tender loving care. Yung bang malasakit. But that is water under the bridge. Now, having said that, the presence of MMDA today in Manila and your city government, at the very least that we can say, we are hearing you. Nadidinig po namin kayo. Pinakikinggan po namin kayo. Now, I hope also, ito naman, Chairman and I agrees with this. Mananawagan naman na kami. Yung mga basura ninyo, ilagay nyo po sa tamang sisidlan. Basta kami, kukunin naman namin sa takdang oras. Nagno-normalize na ang koleksyon ng basura. Because this will add up to a perennial pagbara ng ating drainage. Kami naman, hanggat kaya namin, hanggang magkakulani kami sa kilikili kaka-dot-dot ng dot-dot sa imbornal, we will not stop because it is our job. But gagaangan lahat, both sa mamamayan at gobyerno, kapag ang mamamayan din nagkusa naman ng disiplina at nag-participate. So yun ang aming common na panawagan, national government and the local government. But we'll do our job. We'll do our job. We'll not stop. Yes, ma'am. Okay. I think napabalita na rin na ang City of Manila meron na kaming what you call drainage master plan. It was recently approved by the city government, and this drainage master plan will be shared to MMDA, to DPWH. Ano ang take ng tao doon? Kalaunan lahat ng pagawain sa imbornal o sewerage system, meron ng Biblia o gabay ang lokal at nasyonal. So, if we are going to build and create a system like this, katulad dito, hindi na yung magtuturuan o magsisisiyan. Kasi nag-uusap na yung mga tubo. Tubo ng MMDA, tubo ng DPWH, tubo ng Maynila. Yun ang aming long term. And how much it will cost? Pang national government yung budget. Mga 140 billion. Ganun kalaki. Now, the question is, Yorme, anong gagawin ninyo? Uunti-unti namin. Kahapon, nag-meeting kami ng MMDA team through chairman. Tutulong din sila. Kausap ko naman yung regional office ng DPWH, tutulong din sila. So it's gonna begin. Maraming mga gawain. Ito ay isa lang of hundreds of drainage problem here in Manila alone. I don't know with other cities, but ang alam namin may problema. Ngayon, naghahanap kami ng solusyon. Whether Band-Aid or immediate or long term. But we will not stop. Ginagarantiya namin ang mamamayan. Hindi titigil maghanap ng solusyon.